today we're working on the 2007 Honda Accord. We're changing the purge solenoid, which is this solenoid right here. It's basically 210s. Take this little fitting off and put a new one on. Shouldn't be too difficult. Oh. This is the part number we will be running. So shouldn't be too difficult, but this is what's preventing me from passing inspection, so we're just going to change it out. It's a little pain, but you get it out. Now I just switch over to the new one, bolt onto that. That is true. It's on. Now I just gotta tighten that down, and that should clear all the code. It's a very simple fix. Like, I think the sensor was like $40. Problem solved. Not gonna pass inspection.